Chiliz value equivalent to $0.34 a coin. The present exchange cost range $1 to $22.1 The earlier day close $1.130. The change was plus 35%. Opposite rate OS to CHC. Chiliz estimate for July 2024. To start with, cost at $0.11. Exorbitant costs and 14, while low costs 11. The normal for the month $12. Chiliz cost estimate toward the months and $13. Change for July 2%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at $13. Exorbitant costs and 16, while low cost 13. The normal for the month $14. Chiliz cost gauge toward the months and $15. Change for August 4%. Chiliz gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $15. Exorbitant cost 18, while low cost 15. The normal for the month $16. Chiliz cost gauge toward the months and $17. Change for September 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $17. Excessive cost 20, while low cost plus 17. The normal for the month $18. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the months and $19. Change for October 8%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2024. Before all else, cost at $19. Excessive costs 21, while low costs are 19. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost figure toward the months and $20. Change for November 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else, cost at $20. Excessive costs 22, while low costs are 20. The normal for the month $21. Chiliz cost estimate toward the months and $21. Change for December 5%. Chiliz estimate for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at $21. Exorbitant costs 24, while low costs 20. The normal for the month $22. Chiliz cost gauge toward the months and $22. Change for January 8%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place, cost at $22. Exorbitant costs 25, while low costs 21. The normal for the month $23. Chiliz cost gauge toward the months and $23. Change for February 5%. Chiliz gauge for walk 2025. In the first place, cost at $23. Exorbitant costs 26, while low costs 22. The normal for the month $24. Chiliz cost figure toward the months and $24. Change for spring 3%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else, cost at $24. Excessive cost 27, while low cost 23. The normal for the month $25. Chiliz cost estimate toward the months and $25. Change for April 2%. Chiliz estimate for May 2025. To start with, cost at $25. Excessive costs 28, while low cost 24. The normal for the month $26. Chiliz cost figure toward the months and $26. Change for May 4%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place, cost at $26. Exorbitant cost 29, while low costs 25. The normal for the month $27. Chiliz cost estimate toward the months and $27. Change for June 8%. Chiliz estimate for July 2025. In the first place, cost at $27. Exorbitant costs 29, while low costs 25. The normal for the month $27. Chiliz cost estimate toward the months and $27. Change for July's %. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2025. Initially cost at $27. Excessive costs 33, while low costs 27. The normal for the month $30. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the months and $31. Change for August 8%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2025. First and foremost, cost at $31. Exorbitant costs 31, while low costs 24. The normal for the month $28. Chiliz cost figure toward the months and $26. Change for September 1%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2025. In the first place, cost at $26. Exorbitant costs $26, while low costs $20. The normal for the month $24. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $22. Change for October 4%. Chiliz gauge for November 2025. In the first place cost at $22. Exorbitant costs $22, while low costs $20. The normal for the month $21. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $21. Change for November 5%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2025. Initially cost at $21. Excessive cost $25, while low cost $21. The normal for the month $23. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $23. Change for December 5%. Chiliz estimate for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $23. Exorbitant costs $29, while low costs $23. The normal for the month $26. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $27. Change for January 4%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $27. Exorbitant costs are $33, while low costs $27. The normal for the month $30. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end $31. Change for February 8%. Chiliz conjecture for walk 2026. Before all else cost at $31. Excessive costs at $31, while low cost $24. The normal for the month $28. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $26. Change for spring 1%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $26. Excessive costs $26, while low cost $20. The normal for the month $24. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $22. Change for April 4%. Chiliz estimate for May 2026. To start with cost it's $22. Excessive costs $22, while low cost $17. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $18. Change for May 2%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $18. Exorbitant costs $22, while low costs $18. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end $21. Change for June 7%. Chiliz gauge for July 2026. In the first place cost at $21. Exorbitant costs $24, while low costs $20. The normal for the month $22. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end $22. Change for July 8%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2026. Before all else cost it's $22. Excessive cost $22, while low cost $17. The normal for the month $20. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end $18.